I'm hosting my domain at Namecheap. Click on manage. Right here, private email, click buy. There's a deal going on. I'm gonna cut it to copy because I'm gonna use it. The link in the description box if you don't have Namecheap account. There are 3 plans here: the ultimate, the pro, and the starter. If you want 1 mailbox, then you have to go with the starter. If you want 3 mailboxes, go with the pro, and 5 mailboxes ultimate. A year later, I will renew it at $20.46. I'll click on it. I'll use a domain I own with Namecheap. Your domains will be listed here if you have enough. But in my case, this is a domain name I want to use. I'll select this, continue, scroll down, and always make sure the name is exactly what it's supposed to be. Click add to cart. If I have a promo code, the code I copied, paste it here, apply. It has reduced to $16.33. I'll show you one thing you need to check before you pay. If you don't have your payment method registered already with Namecheap, it's gonna prompt you to have everything in the system, or you can even use PayPal. Once you enter your payment method, then you click I have read and agree, then you click pay. On this page, you're gonna have to scroll all the way down, then click create box, scroll down again. You see I have 1 mailbox and I have not used it, that's why it says 0 of 1 mailbox. Create mailbox, name, password, confirm the password, and I'll have 5 GB mailbox storage, which is good for emails. Delete emails you don't want. I'm done, and next is to click save changes. Success mailbox has been set up. Click on the arrow down here, open webmail, then enter the email address, your password, and login. Close this. They want to give me a tour quick. Start a tour. This is a navigator bar. This is my inbox. If you like this video, don't forget to check the link in the description box. Click on it and buy me a coffee. I appreciate it. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel.